Hi, this is Russ with Pro Steam, and we are specialists in removing spillages from vehicles. And today, a customer has delivered their BMW to me to have a look at and to assess. There was a paint spillage. It was a water-based paint that was spilt in the back of this vehicle. The customer did her very best to remove most of it. It was about 5 litres, I think, that fell over, and the lid came off. And unfortunately, the paint has damaged everything, pretty much everything that it's come into contact with. And we've done some tests here, but the paint is not shifting at all. We've used several products that usually work very well if the paint is fairly fresh and still kind of hasn't dried. But unfortunately, the paint has dried. It is cured and it is bonded to the carpet. The carpet is made from plastic, and the paint will have ingredients in it that will also be like, I don't know, acrylic or something like that. And so you've got plastic basically fused to plastic. So I have used several products. Neither of them have responded at all. Hitting this with high pressure water or high heat will simply damage or further damage, I should say, the boot mat. It will delaminate it. I don't think you're ever going to get the paint removed from the trim. All this needs to be replaced, unfortunately. It's just not financially viable to try and sort of spend hours and hours all day trying to make this look better, because I don't think you can. I think it just needs to be replaced. And with 25 years experience, it's I think it's pretty obvious that it's never going to look like it did before the spillage. So in that case, I would have to say that this is beyond cleaning. This has damaged everything that it's come into contact with, and therefore all this needs to be replaced.